iViral X review and $2,175 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my iViral X review. Now I'm going to show you my huge bonus at the end of this video, but first of all, let me explain to you exactly what iViral X is. And it is an amazing piece of software. Now what it does, first of all, it finds the best viral content out there. It can be video, it can be images, it can be text. Then it allows you to repost it to multiple social media and add your affiliate link to it. Okay, so obviously you can try to create these viral pieces of content yourself, but it's a lot of work. You don't have the guarantee that it will actually go viral, so you can just use other people's already viral content. You have a guarantee that people will be engaged, people will like it, people will click it, and maybe even use your link to buy something, or you can use this for CPA, or you can just send people to your blog, or whatever you want to do. So this works in any niche because you can work with any keyword, and again, you can work with videos, images, and text. Now I'm going to do a full demo for you. We're going to go through the sales page as always, the inside of the members area, the training, all of the upsells, and again, in the end, I'm going to show you my $2,175 bonus to iViral X. So let me share my screen with you and let's jump into it, okay? Now, even before we are going to start, I just wanted to show you an example of a viral video, okay? So I just typed in funny cat videos in YouTube, and as you can see, viral videos are getting millions and millions of views. So we get 10 million views, 8 million, 11 million, 27 million views, 93 million views, 24, 1.7, 14 million views. You can go through it, and it just doesn't end. So just imagine trying to create a piece of content like this to get 100 million views. It's almost impossible, but what you can do is you can grab an already successful video, an already viral video, and just use it yourself. So you have a guarantee that people will love it, share it, like it, interact with it, and then use your link to buy whatever you want to promote. So obviously, with cat videos, you would have to have something related to cats, like a course on how to train cats, etc. So this will be different for every single niche, but just to show you, type in whatever the keyword is in your niche, and just see what kind of videos are out there, see what kind of products you can promote related to these videos. And I can guarantee you that this way of using someone else's viral videos is much more profitable and just makes much more sense than trying to create these pieces of content yourself, which is almost impossible. All right, so let's check out the sales page right now. All right, so super quickly, let's go through the sales page. As you can see, it says iViral X. Want real buyer traffic? Brand new software gets you viral buyer traffic in 60 seconds or less. At the click of a button, you either get free traffic or we'll send you $250 guarantee. So a pretty good guarantee right here. You can go through all of this in your own time. I just wanted to show you the proof. Obviously this works in the make money online niche or any other niche. They made $166 here, $290 here. Just scrolling down, Billy, David, and Justin, these are the three guys behind the cars. Obviously they have a ton of amazing software behind their belts already. iViral X, again, this is the name of the product, and this is my iViral X review. Now what you're getting in is the software support, agency license, and step-by-step video training. I'm going to show you all of this in a second. Some more proof, some more testimonials here, some bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of these ones, and that's essentially it. And the inside of the members area looks like this. So before I'm going to show you exactly how this works, I just wanted to show you that they also have video training included. So obviously we have the big picture overview, then accessing the software, then finding viral content, then your first campaign and getting traffic. It's only for videos because this is super simple, and there's not much more to it than what I'm about to show you. Okay, so first of all, what you're gonna have to do is just add your accounts to it. So as you can see, you have video sharing accounts, you have social sharing accounts, and you have image sharing. So going to video sharing, let me just log in quickly right here. We got video sharing, we got Daily Motion on YouTube, then we have social sharing, Blogger, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Plurk, LiveJournal, Instapaper, and Write, and then we have image sharing, which is Tumblr and I am Gore. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna have to hook up your accounts, and then we can start creating a campaign. Let's click on new campaign, and let's just create a video campaign just to show you exactly how this works. Obviously, you can create an image campaign, or you can create a text campaign. Okay, so obviously text will work with Twitter or Google, image will work be with Pixabay or Flickr, and video will work with YouTube or Daily Motion. So let's just we can add a campaign here. Let's put in test, then test again, description, test again, tags, doesn't even matter. We can schedule it, and then we can browse the file, so we can just upload a video file, or we can find any piece of a viral content on Dailymotion or on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube, let's type in make money online. Let's click search, and let's see who uploaded the top viral content on YouTube that we can repurpose, and we can add our affiliate link to it. Okay, so immediately we have a bunch of different videos. As you can see, these are top videos. They have tens of thousands of views, so we can just pick any video from here. Let's pick this one. This one has like 1 million views. We can do the preview right here. So we got Kevin David, he has a pretty big channel, so let's select this video. Then we're going to click on upload files, and the campaign is created successfully, as you can see. So obviously at this point, all you're going to have to do is just share it to social media. But before you're going to do it, you're going to add your affiliate link to this video, and that's it. As you can see, all of this can be done in 60 seconds or less, and you can start generating free viral traffic. And why free viral traffic is important? First of all, if you don't have thousands of dollars to invest in paid traffic, you have to sort of be using free traffic. And even if you do have thousands of dollars to spend on paid traffic, you probably don't have the time or the stick-to-itiveness to really make it work. I personally paid thousands of dollars for paid traffic coaching, and I still couldn't figure it out. You have to spend a lot of time and invest a ton of money if you really want to scale up your business with paid traffic. So it's a lot of work, a lot of stress, because you want to make the money back immediately. There's a lot of sort of mathematics involved. You have to see exactly which campaign is making you money. You're worried about the return on investment, etc. Now, free traffic in comparison, you're not worried at all. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You can scale it up, and if it goes viral, you can potentially get millions of views for free. So that's why you should be using free viral traffic, and this software first of all finds it, then it repurposes it for you, then it adds your affiliate link to it, and then it shares it for you all over the internet. So essentially, you don't need anything else when it comes to generating traffic and profits. And again, this can be done in any niche, because we could pick any video from YouTube right here and just repurpose it. So obviously this will work in any niche. Now, what's cool about this software as well is that you can access JVZoo from inside the software. So as you can see, we got the top JVZoo sellers right here. So you don't have to log into JVZoo. You can do this from right here. You have the affiliate details right here. So, you can grab your link to any top 10 top seller and just start promoting it immediately. You have the reseller panel, which is an upsell. We have the agency panel, we have my profile, you can access support, and that's essentially it. Again, and you have the training included. So this is how simple this is. This is how you can start generating free viral traffic immediately using other people's content. And again, I only showed you a video. You can do the same with images and text. Pretty cool, right? Right now, let's go through all of the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, the main product will be $17.95, which is a crazy low price, but this is the early bird price. So this price will actually go up to $67 after the launch. Now, OTO number one is $47, and I have a full breakdown right here on my blog. So Viral X Unlimited Edition for $47, that's upsell number one, and this is This essentially unlocks unlimited viral traffic campaigns and also additional features, plus step-by-step video training on how to implement it fast and see results ASAP. Okay, so that's OTO number one, $47, optional, but you know, you can definitely think about consider picking it up. Okay, OTO number two, $47 as well, and this is a iViral X AI edition. So this upgrade unlocks even more features like additional accounts and scheduling ability for automated campaigns. It makes everything much easier and even more automated. Okay, that's OTO number 247. OTO number 3, $47 as well, and this will be iViral X 10K daily edition. So everything you need to start making $10,000 per day. Okay, so this is training, a little bit more advanced, but obviously if you want to start making the big bucks, this is what you want to pick up. Now that was OTO number 3. OTO number 4, $47 as well, and this is Supreme edition. So we got iViral X Supreme, $47, and this gives you the rights to sell the main product and all the products from the funnel as your own, even rebranded with your own logo, and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. So me promoting this as an affiliate, as you can see, I'm making 50% commissions. If you want 100% commissions, you're gonna be definitely wanting to pick up OTO number 4 for just $47. Then we have OTO number 5, $197, a little bit more expensive, but what this is actually a custom funnel setup. So a physical person from Dave's and Billy's team will actually log into your accounts and set up everything for you. So this includes hosting, this includes everything related to email marketing, so squeeze pages, autoresponders, full emails. They will even add emails to your autoresponder, and then you're also gonna get additional traffic tutorials. So this is done for you, but it's not like they are just giving you the files and you still have to do it yourself. This is done for you setup where someone actually logs into your accounts and does everything for you. Okay, a physical person from their team. Okay, so these are the OTOs. OTOs are always optional. You'll be fine with the main product for $17.95, but you can definitely consider picking one of these up. Especially I would say if you want to save the time and all the headaches. OTO number 5, a little bit more expensive, but it's definitely worth the time. And if you would like to hire someone like from Upwork, you would definitely pay much more than $197. Okay. Now, I promised you that I'm going to reveal all of my bonuses in the end of this video, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Now, I have a $2,175 real value package. Okay, so these are all W's of the day and a product of the day awarded courses and software and plugins. Now, if you would like to buy these, you would actually have to spend $2,000. So these are not PLR, these are not MMR, these are actual courses that are still selling, and you can just go out and look up the prices yourself. Now, the first one is iViral X Buyer's Ninja. This is the best bonus out there. This is my own product, Buyer's List Ninja, and it will tell you everything about creating a buyer's list, which is essential, especially if you have the traffic. Okay, so if you have a buyer's list, you can make tens of thousands of dollars per month, and this is exactly what you're gonna see inside Buyer's List Ninja. And this is my exclusive product. Okay, so no one else will give it to you. This is my course and is not available for sale any longer. Okay, so this is bonus number 1. Bonus number 2, Blaze, my W's of the day awarded course, everything about free traffic and Facebook. Then we have some software. Okay, so I'm actually giving you software included in this free bonus package. Push button traffic 3.0 software number 1. Software number 2, auto affiliate machine 2.0. Then we have viral commission machine software number 3. Super affiliate class software number 4. And then we have W's of the day awarded courses, $100 daily, 3-minute commissions, 171 per day, copy profit case study, the fastest way to $170 per day, tube commission loophole, flip me, my top selling arbitrage and flipping course, tube traffic avalanche, my own case study on how to get free traffic, Then I have some affiliate software and plugins as a iViral X bonus as well. So affiliate advantage plugin, giant plugin biz, sales page writing software, squeeze page creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, sales bar, and short code CTA. And on top of these, I have my mega bonus, which is 45 W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, anywhere from $17 to $97 per course. And this alone is worth $1,500. So it's a total of $2,175, and you can check out this bonus on your own. But again, these are 45 plus W's of the day awarded courses, and you're getting all of this for free just as a thank you for picking up iViral X through my link. Now, iViral X will be going live on August 17th at 11 a.m. Eastern. I'm shutting this review a little bit earlier for you guys, just for you to have a chance to check it out and decide if this is for you. If you need free viral traffic, obviously this is for you. The price is super low on this one, and it includes software and training. So keep in mind the price will be going up to $67 after the initial launch period. So I hope you guys will pick it up from my link, get the bonus, get a ton of traffic, and get that viral income. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment on my blog or on my YouTube channel. Please give it a like on YouTube. I really appreciate it. And again, iViral X goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on August 17th. This was my iViral X review and bonus, and I will be seeing you inside the members area. Ciao.